Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Said Sajar Jeris and today we are going to explore the structure and timing of the IELTS academic test. Understanding the format and time allocation is crucial for your preparation, so let's dive right in. The IELTS academic test consists of four main sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The entire test takes around 2 hours and 45 minutes to complete. Let's break down each section. First up is the listening section. This section lasts for 30 minutes plus an additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. You will encounter 4 sections with a total of 40 questions. Next, we have the reading section, which lasts for 60 minutes. You will be given 3 reading passages with a total of 40 questions. These passages are taken from books, journals, magazines, and newspapers. The writing section is divided into 2 tasks and lasts for 60 minutes. In task 1, you will need to describe, summarize, or explain information presented in a graph, table, chart, or diagram. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task and write at least 150 words. Task 2 requires you to write an essay in response to a point of view, argument, or problem. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task and write at least 250 words. Finally, there's the speaking section, which lasts between 11 to 14 minutes and is conducted face to face with an examiner. This section is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, you will have an introduction and interview, answering questions about yourself and your life for about 4 to 5 minutes. In part 2, you will speak on a given topic for 1 to 2 minutes, followed by 1 to 2 questions from the examiner. This part lasts 3 to 4 minutes. Part 3 involves a discussion based on the topic from part 2, where you will discuss more abstract ideas and issues for 4 to 5 minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS tips and tutorials.